channel so what is given? What is given? What is given? Because one thing about it, y'all know I'm going to step when it's time to step, okay? So today I was sent this beautiful wig by Megalook hair, and once they showed me this color, I said I gotta eat. I gotta eat this look up. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I gotta eat it up. I'm so mad I don't have an outfit because now I'm gonna have to rewear this wig in the same exact style. Just dress it up. It's okay, it's okay. If you want to see how I got this trendy, bomb, sleek, and laid hairstyle, then keep watching.
this is the final look, and how are we loving it? When I tell y'all,
already had this whole style figured out in my mind. I just didn't know what exactly I wanted to do with it. Bow, perfect. So I did the style part action with the, you know, trendy slanted little part right here. Boom, bow. We got the most infamous what you call it, sideburn, I guess. Just let it hang. I didn't want no baby hair, so boom, there that go. Then I pushed it back into a ponytail, as y'all can already see. Blunt cut the ends because what? We are blunt cut girls, so that is exactly what I wanted to achieve, that type of a look. Okay, these half up, half down are like really trending nowadays, so I was right up in there. Anyways, y'all, tell me how y'all feel about this look. I love this look. I always love looks that look like this because I'm not a big fan of hair being in my face, but I feel like it's so much different than what I usually do, so it always stands out. Plus it got the colorway. Like, look at the, what would you even call this? Like a fuchsia with like a grape. Oh, I'm gonna have to recreate this in like a longer look. That would be so fire. Oh my god, I gotta try this again. This is a color. This color, and the hair still feels good. The hair feels great, actually. Like, this is one of my faves. Y'all, come on, y'all know me now. Y'all know this is one of my faves. So, if you like this video, click that like button, comment down below, and let me know your thoughts on this beautiful wig and the style. Please tell me what y'all feel about both. Like the colorway, how the style came out, the combo, because I feel like it complemented each other good together. So, period. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.